वेलकम टू इंसाइक्लब। इसमें हम बात करने वाले हैं मनोन्मयम सुंदरनार यूनिवर्सिटी इंटरनल असाइनमेंट एम इकोनॉमिक्स फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर assignments. So before starting this, I want to share something. Number is here. This is my number 900 936 8238. You can directly contact us on WhatsApp. Now let's discuss about the papers. So this is actually a MA economics assignment. So here you can see the subject code is SECM11 and the questions are given here. So total two questions are there and choices are given. Similarly, the second paper name is Indian Economic Development and Policy. Subject code is SECM 1 and 2. There are two questions in this paper. Discuss the functions of Niti Aayog, appraise the agriculture price policy. Second A is record the poverty in India and summarize the female labor force participation rates in India. So basically, there are two questions only in this paper also. Similarly, in the third one, SECCM 13 paper is statistics for economists. So there are only two questions in this paper, and fourth one paper is rural economics. Subject code is SCC 11, first and second question, and the last paper code is SECE 12, first and second question. So basically we are providing a solution of this paper. So if you are looking for the solutions of any kind of papers or anything, so you can contact us anytime, because we not only provide this services, we provide different kind of services related to this your university. So you can save this number for future purpose and contact us anytime. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.